the country. Senior, what was the Naka at the time? Daniel was to turn to know whether the king will ask them release him. Because the king had the supreme power to say that Daniel should not go there. Oh, the president of the country, senior, what was the Naka at the tithe? Just like as we are praying that Nnamdi Kanu should be released, it is in the hand of the president to say or write and sign anything. Bring him out. They won't tell us that what the governors, what the people are reporting. We don't understand what they are saying. It is in the hand of the leader to save the southern Nigeria, southeast here, from what we are passing through. Let Nnamdi Kanu be brought out and be given an assignment. Mazi Kanu, the youth of Igbo respect you. There is no other person they respect the way they respect you. Both Christians and non-Christians. Go and use them to stop this insecurity in the southeast. Nnamdi, can you do it? If he can solve it, what are they holding him there? If the solution is there, why killing these boys? So in this my anniversary week, before the Lord, I plead again to Mr. President, our President Tinubu, please, it is in your power. Let it be one of your achievements. The president that made sure he was arrested is no more alive. President Tinubu, prove them wrong that you are still alive. Set Nnamdi Kanu free. They are using him for political brigandry. All this political brouhaha you are hearing from them are not true. Bring him out. You will not understand what I'm saying until you retain him there. Mr. President Tinubu, listen to what Father Mbaka is saying. And those of us here who want him to be released, wave your hands to the Lord. So, those who want him released, how many of them? How many of them? There is what they call amnesty. I am here not talking about whether he's guilty or not guilty. I'm talking about security solution evolution. If the fact and the reality of the security evolution is embedded in the personality of this young man that is in bondage somewhere, and there are crises here, and some people are using him for political rubbish, and those who declare that he must not be released are corrupt. None of them is better than the man that is arrested. All of them who are saying that he must not be released, that if he's released, what will happen? You are holding somebody and things are getting worse. Why not release him and find peace? So, Mr. President, if you do this, one day you will say, Father Mbaka, God bless you. I'm giving you an expo you don't understand. Because if you don't know, many vultures are gathering against you. The bird doesn't know that there are gathering of vultures and hawks. When I was telling President Jonathan to remove Jega and continue your dynasty, they said, Mbaka, keep quiet. Mbaka, keep quiet. I asked Jonathan, who is holding your ladder? You are no longer with Jega. When I offer a solution, they will call it politics. Which party do I belong? I belong to the party of God, the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. I belong to the party of the Eucharistic Jesus. Yes. I belong to the Ayayayeo party. Party of the Umikuku. Ndinefe Chineke. When Jonathan disobeyed me, the president, he saw the result. Remove Jega and find somebody else.
Okay, welcome back again. I am back again. Please make sure you like the video. Want to join us? Click on the like button. We are back again, like I promised you that I will come back again for a second broadcast, simply because we couldn't finish it, in our first presentation. So I am here again, and make sure you like the video. We can see Evans Ike You are the first to make comment on this one. I see you. God bless you, my brother. Thank you for joining us. Once you come across this video, please do me a favor, like it and share it to many platforms of your choice. We are here again, like I said, to go through the remaining things that we're supposed to have talked. I wanted to discuss it before in our first outing, but due to the time we have spent 2 hours, almost getting to 3 hours, I said, okay, let me just allow it to rest so we can come back and finish up. So we are here again this hour. Yesterday, while Lazuba was busy celebrating her diploma, so she said, before then, somebody said on my comments, I think one of our sisters, John Maybe, that that's the way she put that comment, but I forgot to mention it in our first the first broadcast. She said that Lazuba, that her diploma. There's a way she put it, but I can't remember. I want to quote her the same way she put it. But what I was able to make out from that is that I'm doubting that she acquired diploma. I'm not doubting whether it's true or not. But before they awarded her that certificate, according to her, and now what is different? So there's no impact that she's even attending any class. 2 days ago, I was a kind of telling Obieze to go and register her, maybe evening class, or maybe just do something. But later I realized that Obieze also need somebody to register him as well, because both of them think alike. They think alike, and there's nothing you can do about it. If you're married, you can't force anybody to do what that person don't know or don't have any idea on how to, deal with it. Okay. The issue is that many people think that this woman, some people believe her, but the title of this video says something that I wanted to pick on. Why is Ocha expose herself? She's not the one exposing herself. Because yesterday, she was saying that Biafrans, Dr. Abeze, present that there's an account that Dr. Abeze presented that has to do with Pastor Bina and all that. But before I go through that video, I want to share something with you so that you know something about that account and who actually made that post. Okay, not that she's the one that made it, but she's one of those who shared it. And our video before we reacted on that video yesterday, there's a video that we have put out here that has to do with Dr. Agi. In that video, Dr. Agi presented that account, shared it. Okay, I just want you to know it because you're going to see it in this particular video. So let me go back to my profile and see if I can get hold of that post. Very, very important, because that is where the whole thing will make more sense. I don't want to start playing her video and everything without you watching this first. Okay, I'm almost there. Just pay attention. I'm almost there. I hope I still have it here. Have I mistakenly removed it? Because not sometimes after, okay, it's still here. Is it? Yeah, it's still here. Good. Don't worry, I'm not going to read the write-up because I've done that in our video before. So, but for verification purposes, I have to share it like this with you so you can see it yourself. So you can see it yourself. And okay. Now, what we are seeing here on your screen now is Presence AG, that is Aggie. She is the one that made this publication. Okay, when you go through here, there come down, here we go. And the writer said, for transparency and accountability, all donations are entrusted to the Divine Project team, 100 men and women. Okay? A dedicated body committed to ensuring that every contribution is tracked, protected, and fully accounted for. For inquiry and support, details, kindly reach out to the designated contact, Prince Obinna, with this number. And donation website, ipobeus.org/support. Click on contribute for legal work. Thank you so much. Now, this information, when I saw it for the first time, I don't want to start talking out of context. I just maintain myself because I don't know who is who, right? But I don't trust any account. I don't want to get involved with talking about account and this and that. But I already know that anything that comes from them is difficult to trust. Okay, I just kept quiet. Then when this woman made a video, which is here, this one, Lazuka, she started saying something, talking as if this write-up that I just presented to you now was made by DPM, because as that now, when I'm she every negative thing, so anything that this woman, if there's anything at all that happen now, she will try her best to link it to DPM. Due to the level of hatred that she has, she will do everything to link up to USB government, because to her, there's no way these people will be free from committing anything negative. Sometimes I feel like she's doing it deliberately. Maybe she know the problem, but she just want to use it to catch fun. Then hear what she said in this video. I purposely don't want to react on it. Remember, one of the video that we made today happened to be this woman talking about her graduation. Okay, that video that I titled that she graduated. That's what I put it, but she graduated from psychology. That she studied psychology in university. In that video, I did not talk about what we're about to hear now. Although it's part of the same video that I picked what I used in first one is this one. In the same one of her broadcasts, but since she's now saying something again about what she's about to say here, countering what she said before. Listen. What is wrong? I mistakenly click on something. I hope I don't know how. Just a moment.
Si n'aka dị gị si maịrị ha, si n'aka nwanne gị nwoke, si n'aka nwanne gị nwaanyị, si n'aka ikwu gị, si n'aka ibe gị,
So again, we are not going to spend much time. I just want to present this hour.
So, Moya can see. So, no Musimalia. Yes. Thank you. At least animal for congratulations. Thank you. I think you're so, I can make inform on a memorandum or the reason. So, can I okay.
Negative.
I like Ibunukutoge because I want many things I personally email.
Okay.
Today. I want many things I personally email today, and I can maybe life man because of I want many things that we drop a bench way better. So so
I just want that to because of that when I clicked, it scattered the minutes that I said before. So let's just start patience.
So I'm on atata. Mutusi wevono na ayeme naka ndo to lozi onwere okwu yesterday and achọrọ m ka unu ya okwu. Yes, onwere okwu yesterday wee sị na unu esogolere m nụ ya okwu. Do you know
Negative.
I don't understand. It's like they are no one. It's like na afugona now do haji woman that come against them. So I just say idea na muharekwa ochefa lechi harekwa azu. Manacho me make this people malo that now. Our poor now hachi or the god. No. Our poor hachi or the god.
Lazuba.
Ọnwa dị ebe adande mba na ndị egede n'ọnụ. Ọnwa ọdụm possible. Nke a ụkwa challenge ka m na-atụrụ faụ. Yes, ihe m na-atụkwa faụ challenge because adị m ready ihe ọmmadụ biko.
Okay.
Because why na-eji ndị ahịa ọmmadụ biko na this ijem a onye ọsụkwa anya wụrụ. Onye ọsụkwa anya wụrụ enwe m ike ịyọ biko. The reason why na-eji ndị ahịa biko because na ama n'ife na-ekwu eziokwu.
Okay, now.
Don't
worry, Okucha if I or gas set to that account. I get me from that.
Some your people, even in the social media,
okay.
Why made your because even the shop?
What the shop? What's not the shop? Never get what's not the shop.
From because of the match of your people, even when they 100% sure.
Okay.
Am I as soon as answer one right, they told Faber no say back, that's all. Or one number to be able to ask me because now can they get your because for what? Who? Come on, your I can never beg anybody because I'm an even the good Adam 100% tissue.
Why I put a record conversation DPM. She was the one recording DPM and Frank D. Every family good that they cannot, that even if PM comes out, that they are not willing to work with these mediocres. Ima, wife line on that will told you. If you are doing something thinking that tomorrow now just everywhere just free for you to only you have monopoly of everything. This and that thing on they criticize the USB government, or let me not say USB government, or they criticize COS and Farm D. Because remember, that conversation happened to be private conversation. Why, yeah, Farm D and DPM, I think, yeah, these three people were communicating. Nkata one and one and a Farm on the record, on a tape, everything. Remember when she claimed that she have an evidence? They are very, very intelligent. That if she present what she has, that everybody will run away. Or if all could that time. Or Brazil kita na, nasa was that na. No good na o bato bi ebia na. Mama sama kana patakita go ya guy your biko. Na guy see for what? Gini kaya na yo kama ya ga ejewara. The same thing no record do te project about call the president. I'm not chief for the na. What if you go use that statement? If you find I work that now on a camera before or you know no glass, I that go cook there. Now what? And I will go to some people say we are no using culture. I that go cook there. Imani that this thing is to be about war. Man, this one about war without a brain. Because somebody man in about war. As long as they use to go that old to record to one, which is another offense, a very big crime. On a double a tape, a double force in the money. I forget and once hello, one wajan, came and nasi, kamase kamakunume, una potassium, which I get a mad nego, or make phone start. Or give the record was a go. You got to go. Now, what is that in the keta? Who before? Call us a wagon over number kind of potana. If no battle with the say, come here, Nali. I can't know where. Man, no, you go that in where triple some people. Na if I know. What again, Boku Nagana, Victoria Weke, I greet you, and Ogwejo for, I think, I promise to, because I love the fact that you are very, very punctual. Let me, Ogwejo, I'm going to give you spanner now. Just a moment. I promise you, I forgot to do that yesterday. You are here. Let me, in my first panel, no, you can police the comments. I've been monitoring you for some weeks now. You know. Okay, sorry about that. Just a moment, my people. Just a moment. Let me appreciate this our brother. So your comment, we have a sign. Now, not if I can name. You got the point. So why is Ocha? You told Biafrans that need intelligence. The moment DPM started talking, Yana Famde, if you don't not double their voice. They double their voice. You got to go? Why? Because to you, it's intelligent. You just want to prove that you can outsmart other people. Today, that is safe. You remember when we are together, you communicate with me, and you told me that I want to that if you come out and say something, that there's a one information intelligence you have against DPM. I was begging you, no, don't do that. Just calm down. Until somebody advised me to tell you to bring it on. Then, that in kind of now. So,
because why
listen to this part. Listen to this part. Okay.
The reason why I ginger your because now man if you
after this, he got food. That's because just yesterday in this video, she told everybody. Now this is a kind of bongosi fulani. Happy so you know say they will not go to her today's video. Even as a measure we expose of if queers many you talk now. That like I said, I intentionally refused to comment on it. Again, I react in a video about her education. I'm a mama drag her Rosa de Bono education. I don't want to bring issue of this one because I want to know. I'm not something asking the number of man today, tomorrow. We now revisit it. Mana over the 24 hours, yeah, we change your go no negative. Negative. Okay. Okay, DPM could say now, no problem. Oh, if I have a problem, DPM and Fam D in that audio was saying that even if PM come out and said they should continue working with these mediocres, I don't think she used the word mediocres, but I'm the one putting it. Okay, I can't remember what the word she used. That she's not going to accept it. Hey, internet might be because all of them, man, they were very, very angry. How can she say that? You see, she don't even obey that this woman is out to destroy. Because someone appear pota. Appear me one on a own gawan, if you call it Colako, I keep believing now because about weapon. Appear would like to unify everybody again to work together. So they believe that they will work together. After Kafara Wachagan or Fulani, no, yeah. So they are still hoping to work with Fulani. If you get now, if you job Adrama, they get on the was that PM cannot cannot even tell her what to do now. That she like I say, Amba.
Why did you become even the shop?
Justin, Equim, I greet you. Joshua, you're welcome. Ebere, I greet you. You're welcome.
That's all.
Ngozeka. Greetings to you, Ngozeka. You're welcome. Okay, Nanya.
I can never beg anybody because I'm an even the good at 100% sure. All when I'm good evil, or even I won't put out that confirm all of them. Who will put out that confirm all of them? Come now, Mama, you're the people can get it in the neck. But not possible now.
One of the final confirm when I like remember when I'm not in a high profile in the government, but you said that I'm a Fulani man. You said that they bought gadgets for me. You said that they set up a device for me. You said that they are paying me salary. If I confirm again, in my feeling, you know, in my feeling. I'm involved in maybe we can ask, okay, we keep before the place, but the will is open on here. But I have seen everything. Not only that you are accusing other people, firstly, imagine me. Kide, ogi kura question even no kind of mad na. Oye, eba warrior boguchi na aka warrior kwesịrị ike. Because ọ na obupụrụ gị uche. Not only battery, ebupụrụ gị akọ na uche gị. Wee na ya n'iyi. Na-ege ntị.
No, I don't possible. And when you keep begging anybody, we had 100% sure.
Ị ka ga-ebe gị gba. Abụ m nke na.
Yes. It may be after money, that's when I'm sorry. And I want to show if you in a mess info people is
Iche for the Igago yoga kere say I'm one cock and okay, chicka bayana, inugo. Nathan Negisi bayana. I'm not remember with that video. I turn up that video. Gibayana, inugo. Oh, if you go chana. After Kiyosha no gengere. Gini weme. Ina to go back to this sort of for to get to okay. Honestly, she can go mad. For this one, your own, my goodness. Anyway, like I said, time will tell. Anybody that is following you and even believing, anybody that believe you, People can follow you just to know, to watch your comedy. But anyone that believes what I'm saying, that person need mental help, serious help.
Isn't no bias solid? No, the way no spoil. That my stand there, a bang who sees so we don't come out. What it's the back. I didn't know be able to 247. What the whenever they're looking at social media, what is going on?
I don't have Kenena's number. I am looking for that video. I don't have Kenena's number. I would have asked him to give it to me.
I want to know social media and I cool. My coming very mego. And I can't marvel or less when in a man and I'm marvel. As I'm my last program in me. Now to go how far? How good it. No, I won't get that close to it.
Guarantee.
I'm alone now for this.
Beautiful from here.
Well, what I got that today, and no one can get exposed, but couldn't mean no $1. Couldn't mean no $1, couldn't mean all of you.
No.
Yeah, but mother, God, if you come out on social media again, get to make. I make one go understand though. I can you see, can you move daughter? Because I won't know man, and my boy, I draw this. Mamma, I got a number. Mamma, I got a number. And a magic question. Manu daughter.
Why am I? If you're the one night, I know I need to. Please, since you said that Kenan, I have that video. I don't know if you can, maybe anywhere at all. I want to have that video. And then okay, you gonna that nigga go. If goes with it, if you may give by go. Now that nigga Ogalija for Gacha no. Wait, you talk back. Not you going back to the same thing. As I go, okay, we put that name goes in there. Thank God now. I know that I know when this woman in Kifo na don't know one thing na don't know. I said that na no na here can forgive. I said na spirit you could be. Why are you too manipulative? Now when I see people okay, can I contemplate? Lord, just few period of time, few weeks. Or takalamba. The bomb na the meeting. Keka get mati okay kete. Obrian or Ochida can't do. Pogore fini. Na gana pota ko majana keze se go to majana. Okay, can I can forgive you and go cool. Oh, yeah, China come before, but Ogahaga. Sometimes on our day may calm down. We matter how the mad before we made it, I forgive because if you made a number, if I forgive a number, Kajikuya, Okajia. Okay, let's just allow her to present those accounts.
Now I may be the one at this one.
Oh yeah, me. We don't need to verify it. We don't.
Come direct to straight to number one. Can be the go there back. Oh, eventually you go on here. Very important. Very, very important to actually go on this thing. Because our base is a criminal. Very criminal. Proper criminal. Because you had the shock. If you are now, first and first,
before you display the write-up, Mary Ngozi will be a criminal, according to Yawa. Upon a good criminal already. And don't have a question if you go or if you are going to.
Mama, this thing they make exist. Oh, now when I done this thing they make exist, and I may go expose to go. A man non they make exist. Then Anya, we young Gozime. Then Anya. I'm a non now for this light up. I'm a non now fear. If I talk to Nani about IPOB. IPOB in US.org/support. Ngozo la bugola fulani like IPOB. Ngozo la bugola fulani is a USBG terrorist organization. Manoji IPOB awanida maze nande kanu. Ngozo la beze putara social media nothing like IPOB. Nothing like IPOB. Ngozo na bugula fulani weje mepe account. Uchigwoko onye tari. Ana akpo Obinna. Pastor Obinna. Also go contact a Pastor Obinna. Okwa Pastor. Onya money tari.
Now, why abo is say if the rebel priest Obinna, priest Obinna, or pretend then I'm all Obinna. Negative. Why? Because she want to use this Koba to go there for DPM. Because wolo ka kifo or akosha kifo afambe atielombe na das na da akoko man ko ba kifo ke ko gesime broadcast without the bo ngozo ora bugolo funa nafa mboga ogi kunia na or trademark. For that way, if for some priest, Eba, we kuno pastor Obinna. It's just that is the Ebomolo we expose. Because remember, I should have shown you this write-up. This same message was shared by Dr. Agi. Dr. Agi is no longer with the USB government. In fact, she's against USB government. Not that she just resigned. She did not just resign and go and sleep. Okay? She resigned and she's still active on duty. If you know, you know. But this woman, after seeing those things here, after seeing the write-up here, that Dr. Agi shared this account and everything here, what happened? The woman know she's aware that the pastor, the priest, is the rebel just to hide the name of the pastor Obinna. The guy's name is Pastor Obinna. That pastor that normally have what they call it, the anchor program together with Mazakwa, called Pastor Obinna. Pastor Shine. Pastor Shine, they called her, I forgot her name, Carolina. That man, that day you were not on a platform, Mazakwa. After Pastor Obinna, or Priest Obinna, or if you marry out. Man, for them to hide the name, we are priest. When I saw this, I did not even know that it's not that particular Obinna. But this woman just jumped out today. Maybe she isn't best known to her. Why she chose not to go straight to the people the name involved. She started calling Ngozi Rabugolo Fulani. There's nothing that link her Ngozi to this. How come she not jump in and conclude that it was DPM that shared it? If you go to her see the DPM wall, there's nothing like this account. There's nothing like anything there. I told you that Dr. Agi is the one that shared it that made me to even know anything about this. If you check our program yesterday, one of our programs yesterday, we talked about it. I think the day before yesterday, not yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, Saturday. Okay. That name, Dr. Age, was mentioned in that video simply because he's the one that shared this particular account. But I did not say much about the account. But I saw it, I kept quiet. Yesterday, this woman presented the same account and she started calling USB recharge card USB terrorists and all that, which happened to be her trademark. Then watch.
Account with IPOB in US .org/support. Or there's a www. /donate.
Oh, your job.
/support. Now, I am Fleban. I'm going to go for an enemy 100 man. Only on an 100 man and the woman. Ngozi young won't get to that guy will post if and wants to be when I wants to be the group born on here. Now I won't get to that guy post when and that.
In Ania.
Yeah, what did that guy post to you? Only name on answer. Memo post that place. I will go on a basic.
Now, what am I before Bagran? She started by telling you that she can never apologize because she's always sure of what she's saying. She's here claiming that DPM is the one that Jackia will post to this account, which man or draw possible. Because DVD name, everything about this account is anti-USB. She know, but she want to use that to catch fun. Because someone no Korea engagement no go do okay negative.
How long goes all a basic OG in another place? Only one I saw Jida, I saw Guinea, and will go see got to be named. That OG not because each group owner will name none but that woman will 2 acre. So I'm going to go to Franny. We post to 100 men. We're saying that now good to donate here go for legal team. So I'm imagine goes all about go to Franny, which legal team are you talking about? How many times can your people do something serious so give me a donate to give money for legal team? Which legal team are you talking about? Because I don't know. I want guys on with a legal team. Or legal team no they can just come upon them mother. Oh, I didn't try to go on gossip. And then my like it go on here. And then I'm imagine this Pastor Bina, even in Italy, because you are 39 plus 39, and although the just number the just number edited only I'm going to get this Pastor Bina will be America. My question, can you even go on a good of Flani? You were IPOB when a back account. Oh, my question.
For that way, we are pastor instead of priest. Not if the screenshot you are display the gear goes to normal or pastor being from beginning. Manipulative NATO. Reason why she chose not to mention it the way it's supposed to be is best known to her. I don't know if I follow what I'm saying.
100 men and the woman. I don't even care about that rubbish. Only as criminal group, terrorist group, I don't care. But my own basic concern. Why goes on a message use IPOB? When IPOB, when they account, not United States of rubbish. On my question, can Najungozi? The question on Najundo, can you see? When I pay USBG, what is the IPOB? When I pay account, I do not know what's all about Franny. And then I'm asking this Pastor Obinna, can you come and tell us why you do wear the name of IPOB? But in Nayan way government, one way government, and the government USBG, Humanitarian Terrorist Organization. Why would you wear your prayer use USBG? Where will I say IPOB? We make account. Oh, I didn't know. I told me, man, legal nonsense or no legal is not my business.
Don't mind her.
My business is IPOB in US. .org. /support. Can you even the USB? Can you even USBG? Can you even USBG? Did you know? Would you not like it?
Because of that, which we to Asia, or Macona, she knows so. She knows, and she don't even correct herself. If in case for some of you who don't may not understand, maybe you are not what I'm saying. She saw this name, Priest Obinna. She started calling it Pastor Obinna. Because since day one, she knew that the person behind it is a Pastor Obinna. Like it.
Kangozi, Kowalamia. Oive na jo. Kangozi, Kowalamia.
Anakoere.
Kedi femelo. Kedi femelo. Kedi femelo. Your criminal USBG. Why did you say? Because he was in a use your name of your person when they make a account. Why IPOB? I'm going on social media one time, about 2 months ago. Whatever that no more IPOB. There is nothing like IPOB. Now IPOB they may say exist. But need the IPOB. It's not my may exist. When they make account, when they not collect ego, when they not scam on the map. Why can't you use your USBG? Oh, my question. If you remember with the name of USBG, now you will use IPOB. Did you know?
I didn't believe it. Makwana asike na atu. Makwana asike na atu. Mana ajụ na ajụ. If I call it yesterday, if I call it yesterday, trying to tag this her stupidity to USB government, dragging her favorite name. After dragging the today, she's back. Now Ikegukwa. Just hold on, let her complete what she was saying. I want to hear that last part. Oh, please, that one here. I beg you, let me drag you this. Hold on.
Thank you very so much. Princess Adi. I'm gonna make you. And you know about a table, only a full date, 2022. And then we understand. 2022. Why not on a 2000? So, when this thing understand though, but even the good that Nangos on a base, when you post to this thing, now this thing, now Nangos on a base, when you post to this thing, na group, yeah. Now, my question, because now,
up to second that now then I go send area. No. Even though maybe somebody there, because in every gathering of 12, there must be a Judas. I'm not saying that some people are not in US government are still befriending her. It is possible. But whichever way, when you pick this thing up, did you see the sender? Did you see Ngozi or a person's name as sender? The answer is no. Now you saw a name that is even written in the message. You don't want to focus on that. You are looking for something else because that is what you want to achieve, just to blackmail. Now let's quickly move to what she said, because every other thing she's saying here is just the repetition of this stupidity. So let's go to this one. Okay, this is Lazuba today. Few maybe she's still streaming. Okay, she has ended. Okay, she was live when I was almost coming here, and hear what she said today. Okay, she's still streaming. She's still live. I don't know. Negative.
And say to us on certain things in for social media. Number one, they say to what that now. Something. And
you see how joyful. Did you notice that? And tweet is something with my name. With my name. If you can see, anytime DPM talked about her or post anything about her, in fact, even if it's a fake account that she thinks that the holder of that account is a DPM, it gladdens this woman's heart. She always feels joyful. She did something with my name. With my name. Just a moment. Please go nowhere. Just give me few minutes. I will be right back. All right. I want you to hear this.
Tweet here with a for the normal sending. I do it here. I would hear about
just Gentic, Gentic,
now this thing, yeah. My group, yeah. Then I come there. So, because I love to go for anyway. Tweet here. I don't read. So put on a mama so and that I'm happy now because it tweeted this thing. Very, very happy. We'll see that now on our watching. Sometimes my joy. That's I'm going to watch my program. Yes. And that I'm happy.
She tweets my name. She tweets something with my name. Even at that is a lie also. She did not tweet anything about you. Nakwe Genti. But okay, if you now go, why am I level there somehow? Come on, you believe you do too much. You believe why I do too much. You know what I'm getting? What do you care about?
Something with my name. Celebrating my
yeah.
my destiny, my diploma. Yesterday I celebrated with the party. Yes, my house is July. Yes, so a very big party. So, whatever I can do, my deputy, where's a Cambia soon with Oma and settle us on certain things in for social media. Number one, I have to settle that now. That's all I'm going to pull. I need to eat something with my name.
There's the different language. Yeah,
And
as a dog.
for tweet here, we feel more for the amount of money sending.
My phone now.
I would tell what.
You're
supposed to na
with my name.
Na this thing, yeah. Na group, yeah. Yeah, na Gambia.
Why is Ocha?
Because I love to go to fall anyway. To eat, yeah. One of my young goes to tweet at the market.
As a do why? I
don't read. So put on a mama.
Oh yeah, very good. You don't. No. Hold on.
So
you don't read it does not mean that you don't want to read. You don't know how to read it, madam. That is just the fact.
Very, very happy. Was it that on our watching?
And they're very, very happy. On our watching. On our watching.
Tell me my job. That's I'm going to watch my program.
Yeah.
Yes. And that I'm happy.
So you actually believe that she tweeted your, because when I saw this thing, I was like, okay, let me just go to her ex and check if she tweeted anything. There's nothing like that too. It's just that random people are dropping her stupidity on the WhatsApp group. She's there also because she's just like, as a saboteur, you need to be very active on. You need to keep yourself up to date. So she saw it and she was very happy. She baptized that person as Ngozi person, and no tweet Korea. When you say tweet, it's not on Twitter. More no random this is my screenshot.
So, man, I tweet when they come and say you are done. But when we that this thing, Ngozi tweeted yesterday. We because of pushing yes. Emma Joaju Basraya with because now certain things come out and busy understand.
What are you understand?
As some Dr. Ag, where you must normal for your go certificate. No, I have a lot of time about this rubbish. So now, what is this? Pastor Mary Kelasuba, Lasuba, aka Adadalam. So now, on one account, worked yesterday.
They get it.
Wait, because I'm going to tweet the destiny. Again, Jacoba, destiny would tweet. Madam, the meaning. I just now fry. We will be account from IPOBEUS .org/support. Or if we have numbers, a number we carry. Where for Pastor Bina? Mamonio Pastor Bina. Because I guess you, but I don't know him. No, well, for this channel, because it can you know Pastor Bina was able to know for this. That can does require if for the bossy or see, okay, I'll say that. Also, the criminal at it again. Therefore, do not donate any dime to this Socolux or something. Money on it. But then the DPM. So,
I can't tell you very like Jugolia Wayo.
Because all the business speak against this account. So, Mwana wamu kuloku base now was it or la bubolo for any one post to this thing. Because now here
and the old people don't work again. They show if you have before that she's always sure. That is why she can never beg if she been instructed to go and beg. That she's sure of everything. Remember we exposed now. Just yesterday. Nangosa bugolo fulani, whoop the account. Nangosa bugolo fulani, whoop the account. Today, Ngozi tweeted about me. And Ngozi she's even speaking against this account. I am yet to see where she posted it. Because in her ex, there's something like this. I didn't see that. Please, if you do, let me know in the comment section. She has 2 different accounts on X. I have been in that 2 accounts. There's nothing like this post from DPM. If she put it elsewhere, my bad. But I'm telling you, as long as her ex is concerned, I search and search and search, I didn't see that. Even though I have seen this woman using this post from, she even noticed that the name of that IG was written there. She must, of course, run propaganda to suit an agenda. Negative.
Account support this illegal team. The account support which number share like here. www.ipobinus.org/donate, which they post here about all the time. Now, more I will have another one. ipobinus.org/support. The person in charge of this account or somebody and a pastor.
There we go.
It was come on with this pastor Bina. Or when Pastor Carolina and Pastor Carolina and Vam. No with this account. They charge and they'll not be a
how much of all those things came, well? She knows those things, but she prefers to pretend that she don't know. Okay, for the mindset of again and a go. It's a lie.
Yesterday. The telephone number, I'm so this is 100 men and women, whether their account each. How long Biafran government account? Another account for this 100 men and women. And then I want to say fundraising. So fundraising now, how long Biafran government in a Biafran government led by Mama and Dutch who did that fundraising. And then they made that fundraising 100 men and women. One of them fundraising and how will their own account each. I want account okay. And they are any the moon because account any the moon each. And inside that account, one hang the moon. Shall I come back and whoop here? Because now all these things questioning in I questioning our collectors on certain things here. I questioning our collectors on certain things here. I become tired. I become tired and the kind of confusion in the marina everything. I become tired and even this is true.
It's a lie. What do you mean, Naga? You tired again? Go on. Although if I brought the force in there, we are anyway. But I dare my mom go into Canada truly. Man, if I want to business, you have to finish it. You see, it does not matter how you rubbish people's name. At the end of the day, truth must come out. Or maybe 48 hours. In our kind reports. Na abacha also agwa man. Na ga mano ebe it's equally tired. Anyway, yeah.
I become tired. You go I become tired.
Okay.
Because everybody only not get to know me or maybe just sorry.
Okay.
Then they say, or you say that this Biafra of a 10. Or who see a blue people yes, Daniel no, or come to here. If a yes, Daniel no, or come to here. I don't understand. And I'm a physical no insult. And the Ocha will fire very strong this night. Now I look to anybody like me in my face. I don't care. Because enough is enough for this nonsense. Enough is enough for this rubbish. Number one, none of these people they want to share. Nobody. They don't have share. They don't have it at all. Man, I be not singing. Don't talk. Just follow. I can never follow like that because do you know the reason why when you follow? My struggle today. My name on a list of Nigerian terrorist country. I can't travel to go. I when can travel go Nigeria now. I can't. So since somebody after sacrificing all these things, sacrifice my life, sacrifice everything. Afumu makanori, nezi lufenso, adiapota, and anything. How they useless the effort and the sufferness. Only with them so much. I'm a even watching in this struggle. I'm how I suffered for this struggle up to today. Right from our leader Mazen and the camp, go today. So anybody want to let this struggle and they caricature, that person is my enemy. I don't care. Because the thing they make it need for a full mass. They make it a full mass. 100 men and the women come out. So I put that out to support Obatobie. Go now 100 men and the women who are out to work with the legal team of Obatobie. I want them to pay their own account. And with another name, IPOB US.org/support.
Hey.
When they producing,
he shocked you.
This lawyer. And when in my account, that account WWIPOB in US. www.ipob in US.org/donate. And don't want anybody that say WWR. If you are funny, if you are funny, the main distance. Only have all those on now. Contribute. After contribute or say contribute for legal work. Legal work. Or if any now this WW, IPOB, WW, challenge Kamuptia, and Tagain at one of you. Because I become tired, Ika Gugomoa, and the word become tired, Ika Gugum. The thing up only fat.
Oh, you believe again, if you're not believe. This is not the first time. Again,
When you sleep, no, I be one goes away, no, but I come for. Because I'm not for anything, no, but I hear.
okay.
When you say no, but I be one. Okay, now 100 men and women. The leader of 100 men and women, I saw somebody sent me a message yesterday. Anna Mabia of that 100 men and women. Which is like
opérationnelle chez Expo France. Notre mission, elle réside dans le soutien de la performance, l'amélioration de nos manières de travailler et de nos propres.
Thank you. You know what I'm saying? I'm a major Judolph. Now, any friends and lovers of freedom, maybe 100 men and the women fundraising. And when CRC inside www.ipobus.org/donate. It's never here for legal destiny. And they put Chinoya Makana, they put to here. Now, well, on your own, donate because on the only account, our government in well. Yes, Sonsia, one account on our government in well. One account also. Now, Kesika, 100 men and the women inside of a group low, because Ocha goes a video. Otua goes a video. How many group? Nabisi. How many group guy? Where were the group in Kenya? Where group goes all of the goal of Fulani? Where group in Mamma Diabo? That was what I said group 100 men and the women.
And where group Womajan?
In charge of Pastor
Womajan a group where you and the Remedios and the Jafra that you belong with few other people. You guys are afraid to answer that or to admit it. I don't know.
When you're in charge. And then you could have had support of the government. I'm going to make my account to give up. Now, what is going on? They didn't even know because now, I'm coming. Come here, go to know. Come here, no. Because he would know be. Let me tell you people something. Add angry. That's what he would do.
And them anger.
I don't beg anybody. I want to know your apology for this. Okay, Can you remember? I want this account with a problem. I had a why. Now, be a be good years on this account.
Anyway, I don't want to continue with that. I just want you to understand what happened here because she just exposed herself and she started by telling you that she knows everything at all that she's saying. Not only that, she also furthered it by telling you that this account, this information was posted by Ngozo Rabeza. So now they have seen. She now realized that, oh, even though what would have made her not to call DBM is all over the writer because she saw Agnes name there. Not only that, she saw Obina, priest Obina. She called that pastor Obina simply because she knew that the person is pastor, but she has to pretend to play along with the person who gave her the post or the message. These guys know what they're doing. They are lying and don't take their words. All of them, from Imam Badabo, all of them, they are the same. They are all the same. So, my people, I just want to share this with us because I told you I'm not going to waste much time. And we have come to an end of this live broadcast just for you to know how this woman exposed herself. Very, very sad. And tomorrow, because remember, I was playing a video of Lolo Neka Chimeze before fundraising. Then I have to cut it off. Why? Because fundraising has started. But had I known that, if I have known that DPM and USB government they're not going to start up the program immediately, I would have at least complete that video. Should I just do it now? Okay, let's just do it because we're not gonna. It's no longer new something. Let's just talk about it before we end this live broadcast. Okay, please, if you have not liked the video, do me a favor. Make sure you click on the like button. Please share it. Listen.
Igbo ekele m unu ọlọlọ Nneka Chimeze na-ekwu anyị ka na-ewetakwara unu ọnọdụ Igbo. Biko ịbụrụ onye Igbo ịhụ vidiyo anụnwa tụsaa ya share kwana ma like ya nyekwe kọmentị ka anyị mara ife ilu. Ihe m ga-ekwukwa n'ụtụtụ a bụ ihe gbasara IPOB n'otu IPOB because ọnọdụ anyị nọ n'ala Igbo ugbu a na-anarụgwe down to ndị IPOB. Although enwekwe issues ndị ọzọ a ga-etinyekwa ọnụ ihe gbasara ndị amị na ka ha si ka na-ana ego na ndị polisi m ga-ewepụta ohere kwuo maka nke ahụ ka ha mara ka a ga-ejizie ndị isi anyị ozi ka ha tinye ọnụ. Onye m na-ejigara ozi a biko onye enwe ụtọ ọbụla ihe a nwere ike isi ruo maazị Nnamdi Kanu aka biko ka eme ka o ruo maazị Nnamdi Kanu aka na anyị achọpụtago na ụdị ala ndị otu ya IPOB na-awụ on social media is alarming and ọ kwesịrị ịghọta na nnwere onwe ọ na-azọ dị so sensitive and eji m ghara na-ekenekwa ya na-ekpupụrụ ya okpu ụdị structure ọ setịrị na IPOB o ji wee na-alụ ọga ile anya ka ha ji wee kwado hazie onwe ha ọ na-enye hope na a ga-emete ya ihe and which ọwụ na ha ka hazie onwe ha a ga-emete ya ihe the world kwesịrị ile ha anya. Enwere nkata mini ya kpara mgbe m gara hụ ya na nga m jụwa ele ihe o ji nwee ndị otu ya ma point Simon Ekpa ya bata n'ihe a na-eme because ọnwụ na Simon Ekpa abataghị mkpamkpakpa n'ụlọ aka ha akpa and ọnwụ na o mepe ha ọnụ sị ka Simon Ekpa kwuba okwu ndị Igbo agaghị pay attention. Enwere a lot of people pụtara na-amịgharị ndị Igbo epe ha nwere a lot of ndị Zion na Biafra so many names anyị na-anụ ndị Igbo atọpụrụ ha ọnụ so onye nwawo the face of IPOB bịakwana mee ihe ndị Igbo like ndị Igbo ji na-eso ya. So mgbe ọ bịara kwuo okwu sị ka Simon Ekpa with blackmail and with propaganda eji wee build that guy anye ya space ya akpịte achọrọ m ka unu gwa maazị na over 3,000 youth anyị nwụrụ both man they won't die pop and then I won't die pop. Innocent people.
All right, you know, the reason why I have to bring the two of them together is that these guys, both of them have few things in common. One, their style of lying, the way they lie. This woman don't even, you know, she's just an paid agent. A woman that said to, you know, to analyze something that she don't even know anything at all. She know nothing about what she's saying. She's just trying to deceive the gullible. But anybody that have any idea of what happened in the past will never be a victim of this woman. Undermining who Master Namagani is and why claiming that you talked to him, he spoke with him and all that nonsense. Liars and deceivers. Sure liar. If there's anything about the US or anything at all, after what they have done, that alone should have just exposed everything. But some of yours are very, very, you know, I don't want to say weak, but some of us are not doing what we're supposed to do. This woman claimed that she went to Sokoto to meet Master Manakan. She came back. She said that the Master Khan told her that IPOB is the only option. That the structure is the best. That's the structure that he made and all that nonsense. People with that shame, no honor, no nothing. They're just moving because they can, as long as they can breathe. Honestly, I don't see true man like this before. But now, she don't care about what people will say, how she will look. She don't care. Because money is talking. Money is talking. She's not begging for people to share messages to get to Master American. The same woman that claims that Master American, she can get anytime and say Master American. Very, 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 very okay. So you cannot just pretend that IPOB is the best when you don't have anything to show that they are best. Yeah.
Mandi shobudo ipolota that thing. Simon.
Remember, she said that over 3,000 people died. That is the same people. The same woman also said that nobody IPOB. Again. Nobody IPOB. Lazuba said that 3,000 people died. People that went for recruitment under USB government. So that 3,000 plus 3,000 from this woman, that's making it 6,000 people. Honestly, these people, oh my goodness. Anyway, I don't want to further this. Maybe later because I'm somehow tired. Let me get rest. You know, I will come back again for this woman because there's a recent one though. Because she's giving them, they have paid her. I don't know if the agreement is they have to record at least 2 times in a day or 3 times in 2 days, you know, that kind of thing. Because she's busy lying without looking back. She don't care. Anywhere that she can lie, she will go and lie. Anywhere at all. 3,000 people. They buy 3,000 people. Anyway, what do you think they actually want to gain? What is that thing that they want to gain? Anyway, watch.
Amen. And again, a label is IPOB like an arms group. Ne nyezi ndo tuya hanso wotum jire hu inwete international assistance because all one arms group. And due to Mba Wajidem Banye Wiki separate IPOP from autopilot because all have one armed group. Has armed group how Biafran Liberation Army or yeah their armed group. You know, so I separate and we keep on carrying that campaign ka Biafran Liberation Army and autopilot pụtacha ọfụma gbakwapụ onwe ha n'ahụ ya ọ ya pụta bịa gwa anyị nọ ndị ahụ ka o sozi ka ha marazie ma ị ga-esu ya ma ọwa agaghị esu ya it's simple na anyị niile aga anwụcha before anyị enweta the Biafra and anyị mana federal gọọmenti ha na ha na-azọ ihe a bụ ego na ji ego na fund ka egbuo the struggle. At least, I said people put a claim one and federal government contract and federal government did deny it. So all we go. So through a certain people get to but they go. I'm sure Negro run the autopilot aka yaki him and Jueme. Man, thank God, I'll get no go push it, which is made a lot of contribution, and that contributed will need to go back at its release. Man, I hear them one go shigana. Confusion are they are aware of it. And I agree and I chose any other group arise whatsoever na except IPOP. In your blood to me, I chose in a margin nam the Carlos Rosie, I chose here on social media. Omra means so getting a pass message to do to Hannah pass quietly. And then my fault,
She said she's not an IPOB member. But I chose go na I chose or if I were yagaku. Ogo na what I bondis rios didn't have to work on a guy. But within from her own angle, is that she's not the abonnement member. Abonnement member. I know I want my family. I tell them the believer. Oyoshi. Criminal everywhere. HM na small why born the born ihena. I actually she don't even know where to use I and we and me. She don't even know. Legend annoying. Legend.
On to any other means now the leadership IPOP or your confusion in the face now and I any other problem now libo.
In a name.
I win a peace, and I like the peace I may enjoy. Oh, now, how to him so here was Biafra Hana so had the free in happy. I know in all come man I don't know Nigeria than no, never know Nado Biafra. Always a ring here Jack Bego, Umune and never native, never native, and then
can you hear this tomboy? Can you hear what this tomboy is saying? Not come on in Nigeria. Nobody's against you in Nigeria, no. It don't say it as if it's a war. Not at all. That is why people are asking, for UN to observe referendum. If you guys are in doubt of the self-referendum, they will that for my proposal. You will not do that. I actually. Legend.
I this DOS and touch and anywhere I want to how can be loyal to him? So young man show who was on anga, near instruction, which can never happen. No one imagine now the canon now go away to woman or the impossible. Na federal government gile ana zo Biafra kpawron aka tonga gese ja no dia na enye instruction ya wo na what the Biafra ke na do.
You are an idiot. The same people that sent you, they were busy saying that how can Ekberima refuse to obey Oyendu, refuse to go Oyendu. Ekberima said that Oyendu is in DSS. That Ekberima don't want to take instruction from Oyendu. Ekberima, no, you see not the same lawyer that sent a message that you should go and broadcast on Radio Biafra, and now because you refuse to take oath, that is why you are not broadcasting on Radio Biafra. Ekberima, you obey the. We heard everything, my people. And at the end of the day, these people win. People win. You see, money is root of all evil. And money can do anything, and money can also not do anything. If that is your job, so be it. But honestly, it is very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. I don't know about you. In other aspects of life, I have had this kind of issue whereby people will call you to do something for them, like they have called this woman. You may not even know anything about that, but because of the money that is attached to it, it don't look. Or the very, very dangerous. Always know what somebody is capable of doing. Anyway, I'm not gonna further this. Let me just end it here, please. Okay. Make sure you like the video, and of course subscribe to the channel in case if you have not done so. Give it a thumbs up. We have come to an end of this live broadcast. I really need to have some rest. Okay. Please see you tomorrow, and God bless you all. Benchuk, Benchuks. Is it our own Benchuks? Are you the one? Is it our own Benchuks or another person? Is that Benchuks? Benchuks, yeah. You are the one. Wow, at this time. Good evening, brother Kai. Yeah, that is Benchuks. Oh, correct. I greet you. I greet you. I greet you, sir. Yeah, it's quite late, isn't it? From your end. Okay, I'm happy to see you. I greet you. I greet you. Anthony Godwin, I see you. Please, anytime you see this video of this woman, she is fully out against Master McCann. Honestly, Master McCann have suffered the pain that he's receiving from enemy from the north. I think is nothing to compare what he's receiving from his own people. That is just the fact. Trauma, mental stress. People are stressing Master McCann with everything. Imagine this woman, this tomboy, targeting Master McCann because of some group of selfish individual are using her. All of a sudden, she's now a doctor of a medical doctor, a surgeon that is going to carry a major operation on IPOB US Nigeria for them to be free and be liberated from their own chain. Because they're the one who chain themselves with lies and selfish interests. I've seen many of them that are fighting each other like never before. I said it before. The thing that binds them together is PM. That thing is not here because when PM was here, these gangsters were together sharing information. They just abandoned their differences and come together to make sure that PM is nowhere to be found. And now that PM is not here, you cannot fight anything anymore. They have to go back to the original self, and they can't stand each other. Okay, they are fighting like hell. DS, they are fighting, fighting death. All of them yesterday with Annabelle yesterday between what's the name of Denta, between from Denta and Osage. They are battering themselves, insulting themselves, and all that. Not physically, but you know what I mean. Through content. That is why it is so easy for them to be decimated. Remember, they have been looking for a way to attack BLA. Now that who actually calling for head of Master McCann is attacking BLA, what do? They're okay with it. Somebody even revealed that the protest that took place in Abia State, was originally planned or discussed by USB citizens. But they hijacked it. In fact, they have even produced a flyer, I was told. But they have to go and amend that flyer because that flyer contained PM picture and Master Mechanic picture. Do you know what US did? This is the element. They have to go and force to remove PM. Because that simply means that even in the midst of this Kwashiorkor situation where they find themselves now, they are still ready to even poison anybody to prove a point. That's how senseless and dubious these people can be. If they actually have something to offer, they should know by now. They should have known do and don't by now. But do they know that? No, because they are so desperate, looking for a way to maintain. Just ordinary coordinator of Michigan, coordinator of Scotland, coordinator of Berlin. That's all they want. One will go better hand, they quickly the money. Mazi, yes, Mazi. Oh, apart from Mazi, what can they offer? Apart from shouting Mazi, can they do something tangible? I don't think so. Anyway, it's unfortunate that we find ourselves in this place because Mazi Mekano, of course, will be hearing most of those things. And imagine this kind of woman that ordinarily don't have what it takes to even stand in the presence of Mazi Mekano. Yapping nonsense, it's unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. And to some of you sharing that are using your platform to share some of this questionable information, I would advise you to avoid it and focus on what you know, what you can offer. Thank you, my people. God bless you and good night. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.